Hello, dear traders, and welcome to Olymp Trade. How is everybody doing today? My name is Angie, and as many of you already know, just slightly over a week ago, Olymp Trade launched a brand new trading mode called SPT, which stands for Stock Price Trades, and this is a form of investing. Nick and I had an interesting announcement last week. I hope you all watched it, and if you didn't, you can go ahead and watch it. I sent the link for you in chat. And now it's time to go over the Infinity mechanics one more time, step by step and one-on-one. My friends, while I am providing my lesson, my colleagues are in chat, so go ahead and ask your questions. If you are watching this post-live event, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below this video, and we'll be sure to reply. Let's go ahead and just do a quick sound check. Please let me know in chat if you can hear me and if you can see me well. And while I am waiting for your replies, I do want to remind you to please go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to ring on the notifications bell. Likewise, my friends, you do want to check out the action on our social networks. Alrighty, let me just check in chat to see how everybody's doing. Good evening, Bernacha. Hello, hello. Mafate Jaren, I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Vishal, hello. Dinesh, hello. And everybody, welcome. So if you can kindly just put a plus sign, just let me know in chat that everything's okay with the sound and the picture, my friends. Alrighty, so let's get started. I see everybody in chat. Great, thank you so much for that confirmation. First, I'm going to go ahead and show you where to find SPT. You're going to find it in the top left corner menu section. This is actually the same place that where you switch between FTT and Forex modes as well. My friends, since we are here and I'm sure that there are many newcomers watching this, let's just do the quickest tutorial so that everybody understands what we are looking at. So, my friends, FTT. FTT is fixed time trades. Why fixed time trades? Because you have to choose the duration of the trade. And you have to determine if the price will be higher or lower than the current price after the set trade duration. The profit is fixed, which you can see displayed next to each of the assets that you can choose from. And as you can see, you can open an up trade if you think that the price will be higher, and a down trade if you think the price will be lower. As far as assets, you can see that you can choose from a lot of different asset types. And there is no commission for opening a trade on FTT. Next, we have Forex. On Forex, you can pretty much choose the same assets that you can trade, and the trades are not timed, and they can remain open for as long as you like. The profit relies on how far the price moves in the direction of your trade. The further the price travels from the price opening, the higher the profit. On Forex, there is a commission for opening the trade, and by the way, my friends, in the description of this video, you can find some useful links. And I've also included 2 links to the playlist that are dedicated to learning how to trade FTT and how to trade Forex. So go ahead and check them out. Once again, they're in the description of this video. And now SPT. We come to SPT. So brand new stock price trades, also referred to as the Infinity trades. First and foremost, let's talk about what we are trading. Our assets are going to be large company stocks that are traded on the United States Stock Exchange. And therefore, the first thing that I would like to point out is that you have to remember that you can only trade SPT during the U.S. trading session, which is from approximately 1:30 p.m. until about 8 p.m. according to the UTC time zone. You can actually check the hours in your local time by simply Googling time in UTC right now and see how many hours of a difference there is with your time, if there is any. My friends, the next cool thing that I want to point out is that there are a lot more company stocks that are available, company shares that are available for you to trade on SPT mode that are not available on, on SPT mode that are not available on Forex and FTT. Um, of course, you can check out the list yourself as well. But for example, Adobe is one of the ones that are have been added. Let's see here. Colgate, Costco, Disney, Pfizer also has been added. Home Depot. So there's a lot more company stocks that you can choose from. So this is a really cool feature. Now, I guess the next important thing or the question that you'll have is, well, how do I choose the different stocks to trade? First of all, you have to understand that stock price trading is more like investing. You are buying a stock, a unit of stock, with the intention that the price will rise in the future. Which stocks you will include in your portfolio is up to you, but the main idea and the main suggestion is that is to, as we say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, first things first, a portfolio is basically all the stocks that you have invested in. They form your portfolio, and you want your portfolio to rise and increase in value over time. And what do I mean by don't put all your eggs in one basket? This means that you should invest in company stocks that belong to different sectors. Sectors are basically the navigation of the business. For example, Tesla is in electric automobiles sector. Goldman Sachs, for example, is in the banking and financial services sector. Ferrari is also automobile, and Pfizer is pharmaceuticals. And there are clearly many other sectors as well. So the idea is that you want to choose prospective companies from different sectors, because companies that belong to one sector, they basically ride the same wave. And if the sector starts to struggle and you only have stocks in one sector, then your portfolio is going to suffer significant losses. Therefore, my friends, you do want to balance out your portfolio, and this is going to decrease the level of investment risk. Now let's look what I have included in my portfolio. You can just, this is basically, once you have your trades open, you can find them in the trades, just like you have the active ones closed. And for the stock price trades, you have to choose this, this tab right here. So, so looking at the companies that I have included in my portfolio as an example for you, my friends, I have Apple stocks. Two Apple stocks. I have AMD, which is Advanced Micro Devices, Goldman Sachs, Pfizer, Procter & Gamble, aka PG, and Starbucks. And so I have diversified my portfolio with technology shares, banking and finance, pharmaceuticals, consumer goods, and Starbucks, I would say, in the restaurant business. So basically, this is an example of a diversified portfolio. Now you can choose different company stocks by analyzing their reports, their financial reports. The financial reports are also called earnings reports, and they are released quarterly, 4 times a year, which means every 3 months. Publicly traded companies, so basically all the companies that you see on the platform, are required by law to provide these financial statements so that investors like you and I can see how the business is doing and form a decision as to invest in this company or not. Yaroslav actually recently had an awesome stream that was dedicated to the earnings season, where he shows you where to look for the reports and how to read them. I'm going to go ahead and send you the link in chat, my friends, so you can check it out and become a master of the earnings reports. And my friends, if you are watching this after the webinar, of course, you will have the hint link appear in the upper right corner. Now, let's talk about SPT trading. So as I previously mentioned, SPT is more like investing, and therefore you can only open buy trades, okay? You can hold your trades, or as they are more appropriately called, positions, open for as long as you like. There is no commission for opening the trade, or let's get used to the correct lingo, no commission for entering a position, and you do not have to pay commission for keeping onto your position, so keeping your trades open. The only fee that you will encounter, my friends, let me go ahead and just choose a company. The only excuse me, the only fee that you will encounter is called a sales success fee. The sales success fee is only charged if you close your position with profit. In most cases, the sales success fee is less than 1%. For example, right here on Adobe, the sales success fee is 0.87%. Which is actually deducted from your profit when you close the position. So this means that if you decided to close your position while it's in the minus, so the stock's price is less than what you purchased it for, then there is no sales success fee. So just as the name suggests, you will only have a fee in case of a successful sale. My friends, the maximum drawdown to your investment, in other words, the maximum amount that you can lose is the invested amount, which means that if the price of the stock will drop to zero. My friends, this isn't impossible, but it's highly improbable for a big publicly traded company to go completely bankrupt. My friends, let's go ahead and look at some parameters. Just a second here. So basically, Goldman Sachs, I already have one unit. So basically, let's just go over some of these parameters. First of all, the trading amount. By the way, you do not choose the trading amount as you would on FTT and Forex. The trade amount equals to the price of the company share. You can buy just one unit of the company share, or you can buy multiple units of the same company. So let me just show you. If I go, so basically to open a trade, to enter a position, basically you would have to enter the quantity in units. So these are the units that I am referring to. So each unit here would be $413 in the Goldman Sachs example. Let's see here. You can likewise add more units to your position, or sell some of the units from your portfolio, so you can adjust your portfolio as you go along, my friends. So in order to buy a stock, a unit of the stock, simply choose a desired company so that it's displayed on the chart and click on buy. So here you would, as I already mentioned, just select the number of units that you wish to buy. And once the position is opened, you'll see how many units of the stock you have purchased next to each company, basically like this. So I have 2 AMD, I have 2 Apple, scroll down a little bit, 1 Goldman Sachs. So you can see them here and also in the trading parameters, my friends. Let's look at some of these. Let me just finish this one more thing. When you sorry, I just let's go over these parameters. Now, when the position is open, so you have these parameters. Let's see what they mean. So the first thing that we see is called the bid price. This is the price at which you can sell the stock. What you have to remember is that on the stock market, you open a position by the ask price and you close the position by the bid price. The next parameter that we have is the average buy price. This is the average amount that you paid for the stock. So this number is the total amount of your investment divided by the number of units you purchased. So let's just, for example, let's say that I bought 2 units of Apple shares last week for $100 per unit. Just as an example. So the average buy price will be $100. 100 plus 100 divided by 2. So let's say that this week I added 1 more unit of shares to my portfolio, but the price this week is actually already $125. I'm just using these numbers as an example. So 100 plus 100 plus 125 divided by 3. So the average buy price is going to be about 108.33. And this is only if you add to your investments. As I mentioned, you can add more units as you go along. The next thing that we see is volume, and this is basically how many units, the number of units that you purchased. Below that, we have position value, and this is how much the units are worth right now. Next in line, we have position investment. This is the amount for which you purchased the units. Pretty self-explanatory. Next in line, you have either gross profit or gross loss, depending on the situation with the stock, with the stock's price. And basically, it's going to show you how much profit or loss the purchased units are accumulating. Next in line, we have the sales success fee, which we already spoke about. This is the fee that will be deducted from the profit when you sell the units. And this is the only fee that you will encounter, and only if the position is in profit. Let's see here. I do want to just, as you can see, so right here I have net profit. So this is a profitable position. Give me just a moment. I'll finish with these and I'll show you what a negative position looks like as well. So net income, once again, shows us how much our positions are worth right now. And net loss or net profit shows us how much the position is in the plus or in the minus. Let's see here. So basically, this would be a profitable position. So AMD is hurting my portfolio right now. Let me just AMD. Position details. So basically right here you can see, so since we are in the minus, this position is in the minus, there is no sales success fee. And the only thing that you can see the changes is the gross loss and net loss instead of gross profit and net profit, my friends. I do want to mention a few things, my friends. Since this trading mode just launched recently, you may notice that you have limited history displayed on the chart. In this case, what you can do is check the technical analysis historical data on FTT or the Forex mode. Likewise, many traders have been asking when SPT will be available in the mobile apps. What you need to do is update your app. And if you do not see an update, it's going to be available soon. So just keep checking your App Store or Google Play, and it should be available in the nearest future, in the coming week. My friends, I think this is the perfect time to do a little raffle. Last week, Yaroslav provided a webinar about slippage, very interesting topic. Go ahead and check it out, my friends. And he asked you to leave comments below the video. And now I'm going to randomly choose 3 comments and give out some risk-free trades. Whoop, whoop. If you guys are ready, what I'll do is I'll just take this link right here and I'm going to use Raffle Dash. And we'll go ahead and choose our winners. The first winner for today is going to be Anup Sharma. Mr. Anup Sharma, are you in chat today? I know I see you quite often. Congratulations. The next winner for today is going to be Parshant Tomar. Thanks for the super information, and thank you as well for leaving your comment. Congratulations. And the last winner for today is going to be, okay, Anup already won. It's going to be Joyce Kamamau. Which is your view is the best currency pair to trade and on what expiry time? That really all depends on the situation. The market situation depends on what you prefer to trade. So this is kind of there is no best currency pair. It really just depends on the trader. Alrighty, my friends. Congratulations to our winners for today. I hope that I covered all of your questions about stock price trades and that now you will invest with confidence. My friends, if you have more questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below this video. And as always, my friends, I do want to once again remind you to please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed my lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and ring on the notifications bell. And likewise, my friends, I do hope to see all of you on our social networks. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.